Hello! In this demo, we will understand how you can update your account password for an application using the Identity Cloud. First, you need to log into the Identity Cloud and navigate to the Home module. Inside the Home module, you will see an option to change the password. Click on Change Password for Self. Here, all the applications will be listed for which you can change the password using the Saviynt platform. Here, one of the applications is AWS. You can go ahead and add it to the cart to update the password. Then, you need to click on Checkout. Here, the system will show you the password policy for the password that you can set for this application. Now, you need to click on Change Password. Now, you can set the new password based on this password policy. So, as you type the new password, the system can show you whether you are following all the password policy criteria. Based on the criteria mismatch, you can type your password again. So, when you meet all the criteria for your password, you can click on Use Password. You can also view the password from the eye icon here and then click on Next. Here, you will be asked for multi-factor authentication through your registered email ID. So, you can ask for security verification either on your phone or via email. You can select Email and Send. The email will be sent to your registered email ID. You can click on Send and wait for the one-time password to arrive. Once you receive the one-time password in the email ID you entered, you can select Verify. When the OTP is verified successfully, you can now click on Done. Now, you can go next, and the password request will be submitted successfully. During this time, the password will be updated automatically on your target application, and you will receive a notification that your password has been updated successfully, which is AWS in this case. This is how you can reset a password for a target application using Saviynt Identity Cloud. This brings us to the end of this demo. Thank you.